What's up guys, John from Heroesworld here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Star Wars The Mandalorian 1/6 scale mini bus from Gentle Giant. Season 2 just came out, so I'm sure everyone is pretty excited. So we do have these in stock at the shop. As of this recording, it is October 31st, so happy Halloween folks. So very nice packaging, Star Wars foam. It is numbered 1723 of 3000. So logo side up. So look at that. No parts. No extra add-ons. Be careful of his little flame effect. There we go. So I'm going to grab the camera. I'm going to give you guys some close-up shots. This is our Mandalorian out of the box. So this is obviously the early Mandalorian. He does not have his full Beskar armor. So it looks very nice. Got a sweet flame effect here. And Gentle Giant knows how to make a mini bus, so this is a nice quality product. I would have brightened up the colors a little bit, but it looks pretty good. I believe this is more screen accurate. I'll take some nice pictures, but hopefully you like that super quick unboxing. So again, we do have these available in the shop right now. They are about $159 each, and they are stated as 1/6 scale. Although if you were to hold this up to a Hot Toys figure, I think he's a little bigger. All right, thanks.